Hey guys, welcome back to my Lesser the Unlikely tutorial. This is going to be a video on the Totem Pole stage, and I'm going to show you how you can practice this stage if you're just learning the game. So what you want to do is, you want to jump onto the turtle, then you can kick it, you want to jump onto the crab, then you can kick it, and then that gets rid of the animations that you'll have on those things there, and then you can just kill yourself here. And it'll reset the stage, and it'll be just how you want it. So this stage is very technical. For this game's standards, it can be pretty difficult to optimize. There's quite a few little time savers. Like I remember when I was first learning this game, and I had like probably like sub 17 when I had just first gotten that. And I was like, wow, this is the best run ever. I noticed I had lost like 3 seconds on this stage, and it was a bit difficult finding where I lost that time. But I'll try to explain everything here. So we want to run right, we're going to jump right before the tiki to avoid an animation. We're going to jump over the turtle, jump over the crab, we're going to jump up here, run to the right, jump, run, walk, duck, run a little bit. We want to run like a unit and maybe a little bit more, but when we think we're running a little bit more, that's when we want to hold B, hold Y and right. Then we can just fall down here, and here there's going to be this little sign I'll show you right there. We want to jump a little bit after that, kind of right before the tiki, honestly, so we can get as far as we can before we go into tiptoe animation, but we do not want to go into that tiptoe animation. We want to jump before it so we get like kind of a head start, if you will. So here we go. Jump right there. Then we want to hold right and B. Then we can just hold Y and right, just like that. And that's pretty much the most optimal way you can go through that. So now we're going to hold Y and right. Notice that second tree there. We're going to basically stop holding Y when we get to that tree. Then we can usually like take a step forward or something like that and hold A. And we want to hit the first blue tiki. But whatever you do not get the animation on that tiki. That tiki wastes like 5 seconds. If you have to, jump over the animation that's on the first tiki and just like kick the third tiki. It's a lot safer, but this is only like a few frames faster, so yeah, that's what you want to do for optimal. Now here you see this little second dune here. Notice how it slopes up. It goes at an angle, an obtuse angle, and the little point right there, basically when Lester's back is on that point is when you want to jump. So basically when his entire front body is at the little plateau. So it should look like this. Then you can just hold Y, B, and right, and you can make that jump. Here we're going to walk 2 steps, jump up. Here, it's kind of up to you what you can do. I always like to completely run off and then hit down at the right time, because I somehow am consistent at that compared to other slopes, which is really weird. But you can still walk off like normal on this one. But yeah, I don't know, I just have a way of timing this one. I don't know how, but like that. Then we want to grab this, take a step, and here there's 2 platforms below, and you want to go down both of them, and the bottom one extends out a little bit further right, but you can go down both of them at the same time and still avoid taking damage if you just time when you hit down. So right now, like that. Then you just put this thing in here like that by hitting X. Hit start. Do not pause early. There's also one really dumb frame where you're like kind of in between 2 things. I don't exactly remember what happens, but like if you pause like the first frame that the text box comes up or the exact same frame that it pops up, then you're kind of like in a hybrid state where you actually have to like unpause the game and then go through the text box. It's not fun, so just make sure you don't pause early. That's the moral of the story. But that's Totem Poles. It's a really fun stage. I hope I was able to help you there. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to comment below.